Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we're going to draw a warm and yummy cup of hot chocolate. Yummy! So, let's get started. First, let's draw two cute big eyes. Make them nice and round. Aw, they look so happy already. Now, let's add a smiling mouth below the eyes. Next, draw the cup around the face. Let's add a handle on the side of the cup. Ooh, now draw chocolate dripping from the top of the cup. Time for marshmallows! Now let's draw a chocolate stick popping out. Finally, draw the chocolate inside the cup. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. Now let's color the cup. Color half of the cup orange. And the other half pink. Color the dripping chocolate chocolate brown. Now color the chocolate bar as well. For the chocolate stick, use 2 shades of brown. At last, color the marshmallows blue and pink. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.